we have given argument in symbolic form. First row we have first promise. This is our first premise. In the second we have second promise, and underline we have conclusion. Now we have to write how many simple statements we have here. We have P, Q, and R. It means we have 2 to third power combinations. So this is 8 rows we have to have. And for true, I will use 1, and for false, I will use 0. In some book you can have T for true and F for false. I like use 1 and 0. So now we have to write all this combination. We need to have 8 rows. So we have P, Q, and R. Next, we have to put negation of simple statement. We have not R only. And next, first premise is conditional statement. So I will put first this statement in parentheses. So we have P implies not R. And the second parenthesis is Q and R. And now it will be very easy to find the value for first premise. First premise, this is P implies not R, implies, and in parentheses we have Q and R. Now we will have second premise. This is R and P, and in the last column we have conclusion. This is P or Q. So now we have to find 8 combination. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and we have 0, 0, 0. We need to have in every column for P 4 truths and 4 false. For Q the same. We have to have 4 truths and 4 false. The same for R. Now we will have to write not R, so we have to look in the third column. Not 1, so will be not true, so this is false. Not false, so will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Next we have conditional statement, and we know that conditional statement is false only when true implies false. So we have to look first in first column and in the fourth. So we have 1 implies false, so this is false. 1 implies 1, so this is 1, 1. 1 implies false, so this is false. 0 implies 0, so this is true, true. 0 implies true, so this is true, and 0 implies true, so this is 1. Next, we have conjunction, and conjunction is true only when both statements are true. We have Q and R simple statements, so we have 1 and 1, so this is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And now we have to look to 5th and 6th column, and we have again conditional statement, and we know that conditional statement is false only when true implies false. We have 0, 1, so this is true, 1, 1, so this is true, 1 implies 0, so this is false, true, 1 implies 0, so this is false, 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 and false. Now we have again conjunction statement R and P. Conjunction is true only when both statements are true. So we have R and P, 1 and 1. So this is true, false, false, true, false, 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 and false. And we have disjunction statement P or Q is false only when both statements are false. So we have 1 and 1, so this is true, 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 0 or 0, so this is false, true, false. And now we have to check our promises and conclusion. We have true promises in the first row, and conclusion is true. We have true promises in fourth row, and conclusion is true. So it means that our argument is valid because for true promises we have true conclusion. So let me write this. The argument is valid. This is my solution.